Hi, welcome to Panda Network's tutorial on how to set up a charity stream using platforms like Tiltify and Softgiving. First, we'll head to tiltify.com and click on the sign in option on the top right corner. You will have multiple options like Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, Mixer, and using an email. As a content creator yourself, you may choose the Twitch option. Allow the permissions to work, and then click on Get Started. Now proceed to select the Panda Network. Click on it, and select the campaign type. If you have individual goals and milestones, click on the individual. If you are going to share multiple milestones and goals with other group of content creators, click on Team. Let's check the individual option. Choose a campaign name and a proper description to add. You also have the option to edit the URL that will be given to your particular campaign. Then select a start date and an end date. For our particular example, we had to pick September 19th for the International Red Panda Day. The end date will be as well September 19th. Here you can set up the campaign goal, and this can be changed after the campaign creation. Here you can review all the settings, your campaign URL that you will share, and you can confirm. Now let's take a look at the campaign type for a team. Here you can use previously created teams or create a new one. You'll need to pick a campaign name, a description, and you will also get the option to edit your URL. Select the start and end date for the campaign event. For this particular example, International Red Panda Day is celebrated on September 19. The campaign goal can be changed after the campaign creation. Be sure to check that all the settings are correct, and you're gonna be able to preview the URL link for the campaign. By clicking on your avatar, you're gonna be able to jump to your dashboard. Here you will see your individual and team campaigns. For our example, we'll click on Team. You will be presented with the View Campaign and Dashboard options. By clicking on View Campaign, you're gonna have a preview of the campaign for your viewers. You can see the collected goal, the stream being featured, the donation link through PayPal or credit card, the cost, the team, the description of the campaign, the description of the charity, and the history of donations. By clicking on Dashboard, you're gonna be able to edit the campaign itself. You can add some teammates, a schedule, incentives, milestones, and once ready, you can publish a campaign. You can also copy the campaign URL at the top right corner and the donation URL as well. The donation URL will be the direct means for your community to donate to the campaign. It can also be used as an interactive element on your panels on Twitch or as a direct link through the chat custom commands. If you want to have notifications live on the stream, you can use other platforms like Streamlabs to integrate that on your live stream. If you visit streamlabs.com, you will see the settings option in the dashboard. Then click on integrations and then click on Tiltify. You will be asked to link your Tiltify account with your Streamlabs account. Click on link and you're good to go. If no campaigns are active, nothing will display. Once you publish the campaign, you will see it here. Now let's take a look at the Softgiving platform. If you want to set up a personal goal and milestones, Softgiving is a great option. Go to softgiving.com and click on the Create a Campaign banner. You will be able to log in with an existing account or create a new one. Once created, you're gonna be able to create your campaign. You're gonna need to select a donation goal, which you can edit later, expected stream date. For this particular example, September 19th for the International Red Panda Day. You're gonna need to pick your charity, the Red Panda Network, and milestones. You can make it so that every so often you reward your viewers for their donations. Also give an incentive for your top donor. You can visit all this at any moment by clicking on the dashboard itself. In your dashboard, you will be able to see your donation panel. This is an element you can download and include in your panels on Twitch. You're going to be able to see your donation URL and preview what your viewers will see. Here you can see that they can pay with a card, PayPal, and also preview the top donors and most recent donations. That's the link you will use to invite people over for the donation. You can also include that in elements in your panels as well as in your chat with custom commands. You're also gonna be able to configure your overlays. The donation bar, the donation alerts that will appear every time a donation goes through, and the donation milestones. Each one has its own settings. You can change the background color and font color. For the donation alerts, you can remove the alert sound or change the sound, as well as changing the image or video that will display. You can test by clicking on this button here. If you want to include these elements of your software, you need to copy the link here. Then on your streaming software, add a web source and paste the link, and it will update accordingly. That's the Red Panda Network's tutorial on how to set up a charity stream. Thank you so much for your time.